How to remove extensions on Google Chrome installed by administrator. Ever seen an extension in Chrome that says installed by your administrator? Here's how to remove it safely. So go ahead and type in Chrome policy and then hit on enter. So in here, you'd be able to see entries. It means Chrome is being controlled by a policy. So go to Chrome/extensions. And then in here, you'd be able to find all of the extensions installed by policy or installed by administrator. So on your Windows, open the registry editor, navigate to HKey local machine software policies Google Chrome extension, install force list, delete the entry for the unwanted extension, then restart Chrome. Now, if you don't set these policies yourself, it may be malware. Run a full antivirus scan and uninstall suspicious programs. And that is how you can remove extensions on Google Chrome installed by administrator.